guys, we got this Mansory Urus right here. This car came to us in a green color. It was a lot going on with the forged carbon, the green all over. So we took the entire car apart. We had to take the body kit off, which was all glued on. So literally, it's harder to do to take the body kit off than to put a body kit on. So took all that off to wrap it, and we wrapped it this beautiful matte dark gray color. It's kind of like a Nardo gray, but the matte version. Some people call it primer. Honestly, it looks pretty cool on this car. With the forged carbon, we did some green accents all over to match the interior. It's got green brake calipers, green pinstripe around the wheel. Pretty cool car. Sounds very aggressive as well. Normally we do the 1016 Uruses. As you guys know, we've done almost 50 of them. And now there's a Mansory and we're doing the new Rift one. So pretty cool to see. But yeah, this transformation was very, very difficult to do. This is a huge job just for a wrap. So hopefully it doesn't change the color very soon because you got to take everything back off again. All right, we are sitting inside the Mansory Urus, and like I said, it has green accents for a reason. The entire interior has lime green accents mixed with leather and Alcantara. It looks really, really cool. Obviously, the steering wheel to top it off, you got to get that colored steering wheel. When I first originally got my car, it was also red. But this is a really, really nice configuration. And especially with that crazy forged carbon Mansory kit on there and this matte gray color, I think this is a really, really cool Mansory Urus. We're outside the paint booth. We are ready to paint the Mansory Phantom body kit. We're standing next to the rear bumper here. And as you can see, it's all been primered and sanded. We did all of this for a proper fitment and smooth surface. You can't just get the kit and paint it. That's a big error on some parts. So you gotta do all this work and do it. Right now you see this masked. So it's gonna be a process. It's gonna paint this open section in the body color, which is a metallic black. And then he's going to remove this tape and then he's gonna shoot the clear coat. So this will stay forged carbon, and this will be body color, and it will all be under the layer of clear coat, the same layer. So there's no feel of a line, nothing like that. It's gonna look incredible. These are the big fenders right here, huge panels. This is like 2 doors of a regular car. This is all gonna be painted body color, of course. And then we got the front bumper right here, which is obviously missing all the trimmings. There's a forged carbon lip under it. We also have to do a lot of clear coating on the hood, side skirts. Various things also need to be painted body color too. So this is just the base of the kit we're getting done. A lot more to come on this, so stay tuned. Alright guys, one of my favorite Uruses is back at the shop. Actually, this Urus is Moses' favorite Urus of all time. He really, really loves this car because it's that red color and it is the Performante. I hear some noises though. Oh look, Moses over there. Let's see what he's up to. Hey man, what are you doing? Get away from the car. Hey, he's biting the car. What did you do?
It's good.
This guy was eating the car right now. Are you kidding me?
Pretty good. Lamborghini red.
What did you do?
It's good. Very good. Delicious.
All right.
You guys haven't tried it?
An actual dog bit into this car, not Moses. And as you can see, caused some damage. The car has a clear bra all over it, but you see that color right there, the white? That means it went through. So all this clear bra has to come off. We have to paint it, re-clear bra, all that stuff. This is a big dog, and it ate both sides of the front bumper. It also ate something in the back of the car. So yeah, we're gonna sadly have to fix this stuff. But yeah, again, this is one of our top Urus builds ever, and it's sad to see it, but we're gonna fix it. All right, we got a A12 GTS right here. This is the beautiful V12 Ferrari. As you guys know, this car is going to be replaced very, very soon with its newer V12 front engine Ferrari, but still one of my favorite Ferraris ever. Looks incredible. It doesn't have that over the top look, but I mean, look at that rear end with the circle tips, circle up there. Beautiful car. This is the GTS, so it's a convertible, and it has a full red interior, so black on red. And we are going to town on this car. We're gonna be doing a full 1016 Industries carbon fiber body kit that includes a big spoiler in the back, full carbon fiber replacement on the bottom, side skirts, front lip. We're doing HRE wheels on it. We're doing Novatec springs, and we're doing a full FI exhaust system. So it's gonna be loud, it's gonna be slam, it's gonna look so mean. Super excited for this project. We're gonna give you some revs right now in stock format, and then later on we're gonna have the full-blown crazy sound.
All right, you guys. Finally, the day has come. You guys remember this Challenger? This car came in a terrible condition. Paint, wheels, mechanical, interior, you name it. It was terrible. So now we are gonna finish this thing tonight. Quick update for you guys. We're doing the final touches. Couple of touch-ups here and there, doing the final stuff. We did wheels, lowering, obviously new tires. We upgraded wheel size. We did coilovers on this car, really nice. Car sits beautiful, very, very low stance, exactly what the customer wanted. Interior, we got the seats, portions of the seats redone that he wanted as well. And this car has a brand new paint job. There is not one scratch, not one flaw on this car. You guys stay tuned and look at this thing when it's completely clean and detailed. Guys, so this is the Challenger that we have been waiting to get done. Customer is on the way. About 30 minutes. We are in the last process of doing the detail. So we're detailing the car right now. Inside of the car is already detailed. Looks really good. Brand new paint job, as we said. Also wheels, tires, coilovers, new exhaust tips, all blacked out, black emblems. The car looks amazing. I mean, guy's gonna be very happy. So I like it. Big project it was for us, and we got it done. So he's on the way, and next one.
Yeah. There's a faster mode than that? Oh, does it do wheelies now?
My STO coupon.
Ah! Ah! It's a stolen Cullinan. Okay. This man, he's a hardworking man. He finally got a Cullinan he always wanted. 2 months later, they were staying at a hotel in Atlanta. When they tried to check out, they waited an hour and they couldn't find the car. The owner did a subpoena to get the security footage. It showed valet giving the keys to another person who disappears with the car. The car showed up in Houston, Texas, and was found from a YouTube video. So he was watching YouTube and saw a Cullinan in Texas, same color combination, same interior. It was like a very special interior. And they had changed the rims, and they put these basically Texas swangas, they call it, which is like these things that stick out of the wheels. And is driving around the car, having fun. And I think apparently I heard they were renting it out too.
The guy got interviewed, and they were like, "What color is this interior?" He's like, "Oh, this is a special blue." It's gonna show the video. Where's it at?
That's the owner of the car, and
I think it's right here.
And basically,
So the valet walks up to this caddy, gives the keys to that guy.
yeah, it's set up.
Yeah,
Crazy.
right here.
Yep, crazy setup. And then Jack is calling in, and then they don't even care. They don't like chop it up. They put crazy wheels on it and they like showboat it.
So how was the valet and the other guy that
Look
came
at
to
it.
pick up the
That's
car?
his car they jacked.
Is that the music video? Is that the video they did on YouTube?
Yeah.
Yeah.
How was the valet guy and the guy that got the keys in the same place at the same time?
What do you mean? What? It's
So,
a
like-
setup, bro. They know each other.
Yeah, he gave the guy the keys. The guy took the car. They shipped the car
To
to
Atlanta.
Texas.
No, from Texas to Atlanta.
Yeah.
Or was it
Atlanta
vice
to
versa?
Texas.
Oh yeah, you're right. Atlanta to Texas. Yeah.
Yeah.
Why would you do that?
Thieves, man.
First, why would you steal the
No,
car?
what I'm trying to say is, was that valet guy working there for years, or was it just like a one?
Well, they're
one
also
night-
stealing cars and doing the street shows and
Yeah.
They're burning the cars. They're not stealing the car and making money. They're stealing the car and they're like having fun with it.
Like the video, thumbs up. See you next time. Órale.